And so hello, this is the update for Night Cruise, no? The patch note for June 18. So this is the 100 days since the Night Cruise is launched. And so this is the 100 day commemoration event ni Night Cruise. And so ano nga ba yung mga naging update this past Tuesday. Yan, medyo late na tong video natin. No? Ayan, so, the main updates is number 1, 100-day commemoration event, which is in-game yan. New glider will be added. Ayan, so may bago silang inad na glider at meron po siyang free rare glider. So, number 3, 100 days commemoration dungeon will be added to. Ayan, so magkakaroon ng bagong dungeon. So, itong dungeon na to is ma-open lang ito, no? Only for this event. Yan. So, after the event, dungeon na yon is makawala na rin. So, ang tawag doon is 100-day commemoration dungeon event or commemoration dungeon. Yan. So, update details. Number 1, in-game event. So, ito yung mga in-game event. Number 1, we have Clement's second invitation. Number 2 is the 100-day celebration check-in. Ayan. So, makikita natin, i-check natin yan mamaya in-game. So, number 3 is 100-day commemoration growth order. Number 4, Land of Prosperity Dungeon Event. Itong Land of Prosperity Dungeon Event na to, no, is magta-times 2 yung drop ng Morion, ng Bound Morion or Morayon and Unbound Morion. The number 5, 100 days commemoration dungeon. Ito yon yung kanina. The number 6, 100-day commemoration battlefront event sa BF. No, meron drop event dito which is makikita natin siya mamaya in game. The number 7, mount summoning and combination order. The number 8, weapon style summoning and combination order. The number 9 is 100-day commemoration mail event. So, ito yon, no? Daily. I think daily, no? Kasi twice na ako nakakuha ng email nila na event, no? Na gift ni Nightcrow. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng naging event and pamigay ni Nightcrow sa kanilang 100 days. Ayan, so, number 2, community event. Meron po silang tinatawag na look for the golden crow. Ayan, meron tinatawag ditong look for the golden crow. Ayan, ito yung bago nilang dinagdag, no? Look for the golden crow, which is hanapin mo lang in-game yung golden crow and magte-take ka ng screenshot and isa-set mo po yan sa kanilang Discord server. Ayan. The number 2, 100 days captain of Nightcrow's quiz. Ayan, so everyday meron silang pa-quiz. I think it's start is 19, 20, and 21. I don't know. So, parang ganun yata yun, no? So, quiz yan, which is meron din niyang dito. Meron ding gift na pamigay si Nightcrows about that, no? Sa kanilang Captain of Nightcrows quiz. Then, the event roundup. So, ano nga ba yung mga bago nating season pass event? So, number 1, 100-day commemoration mount pass, and number 2 is 100-day commemoration weapon style pass. Ito yung dalawa, no? It's worth 2,000 diamond and almost 55 summons sa makukuha nyo dito. So, murang-mura na itong bagong season pass na to, no? Okay, next. New season pass notice. Yan. So, number 1, 100-day commemoration glider will be added. Ito yun, no? Libre lang po itong makukuha itong glider na to. There is a balloon rare glider. Ayan. So, ano nga ba yung stats na bigay ng ating rare glider? Ito po yung merong 30% XP gain, no? Plus 30% XP gain. Damage reduction plus 4. Skill damage reduction plus 5. And flight stamina is 920. So, mas makakatagal ka sa ere, no, na paglipad mo. So, maganda to for warriors, mga melee, yung mga tanker types of character. Maganda po ito. It's because of damage reduction and skill damage reduction. In slot effect, wala po. It's because event lang itong ating glider na to, itong rare glider. So number 2, the time limited event dungeon, Riverside of Liberty will be added. So ito yung in-game, no, which is mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba itong Riverside of Liberty na ito. No? So number 3, 100 new types of collection have been added. Yan, so sa mga collections, madaming madadagdag, ano. The number 4, sleep mode image will be changed. And ito yung sleep modes natin, no. Pag matagal nating hindi ginagalaw yung ating character. So, makikita nyo yan mamaya. Then, fix issues. Ayan. So, pasok na tayo sa in-game natin. At papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga bagong event in games. Ayan. So, ito na yan guys, no, yung sinasabi nila kanina na magbabago daw yung sleep mode, no, sa ating Nightcrow. So, ito na yun. Nakikita naman natin, meron na siyang nakalagay na 100 days. And birthday ni Nightcrows, 100 day. Yan, parang birthday ni Nightcrows. Ayan, so pasok na tayo in game, no? Para ma-explain natin yung mga bagong events na bigay ni Nightcrows. So kung papansinin nyo, nandito tayo sa Battlefront, which is nagpa-farm tayo nitong coin na ito. And so itong coin na to, yung pina-farm natin dito, itong 100 day commemoration coin, which is mapapapalitan natin yan dito sa loob mismo ng Battlefront. Ayan, so meron silang idinagdag na bagong event, merchant, which is ito yan. So, pag nakapag-farm tayo ng maraming coin, itong 100 day commemoration coin, pwede natin siyang ipapalit or ipambili dito sa event merchant na to sa loob mismo ng ating Battlefront, which is meron siyang Nightcrow symbol na magagamit natin for collection. Then higher seal, 5 pieces, golden curving knife, golden weighing skill na 5 pieces, artifact enhancement, artifact refinement, and others. Yan. So, bahala na kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo papalit dito. Pero this one, no, I think mabibili nyo naman ito lahat, no. That's because matagal pa naman to. 1 week pa itong event na to sa Battlefront. Ayan. So, ano pa ba yung another event ni Nightcrow? So, pasok tayo dito sa bagong dito, event dungeon ni Nightcrows, which is itong Riverside of Liberty. Sa Riverside of Liberty, no, ito is dito tayo makakapag-farm nitong Feather of Ascension, which is magagamit naman natin to for crafting, no, for crafting this kind of materials. For example, this one, old aircraft component, Ascension of Sky Talisman, which is ito po is on a buff, no, basic damage for 30 minutes, Frozen Tear, higher seal of advancement, ancient papyrus, meticulous aircraft, Masarta recharger, brilliant enhancement scroll selection, and pitch black enhancement scroll. Etong brilliant, no, ito yung ginagamit natin for enhancing, no. For example, the weapon, no, may chance siya na mag plus 1 or mag plus 2. So, ito yung ginagamit natin for safety enhanced items or equipments for plus 8 or plus 6 pag armor, and plus 4 pag accessories. It's because na mayroon siyang increase of 1 or 2. So, pag nag-success siya, pwede siyang maging plus 1 or pwede siyang maging plus 2. So, ano nga bang gagawin natin pag yung enhance natin ay plus 7 na? For example, the weapon, ang enhance niya ay plus 7 na. Pwede po natin siyang bawasan ng enhance pabalik sa plus 6 para pag in-enhance natin siya is safe pa rin. No? Mag-fail man yun, pag ginamitan natin itong brilliant, no, mag-fail man yun, at least hindi mababasag ang ating equipment. So, ito yung pitch black na ginagamit, or ito yung pitch black na sinasabi ko sa inyo, which is pwede natin siyang gamitin for decreasing the enhance of our equipments. And so, ito po yun, no, para maiwasan yung pagkabasag ng ating equipments. So, dito lang po makakakalot nito, no, Feather Ascension sa ating event dungeon na bago, which is itong Riverside of Liberty. So, daily yan, no, nagre-refresh, which is 2 hours. So, the better, para mas makapag-farm tayo na mabilis nitong ano na to, no, itong Feather of Ascension na to, much better is dito lang tayo sa level 35, which is 1 to 2 hits lang natin yung mobs. So, mas mabilis natin makikill yung mobs, mas mabilis tayo makakapag-farm nung ipa-farm natin. No, wag na muna tayo pumasok. O hindi ko naman sinasuggest na wag kayong pumasok. No, which is tips lang ito, no, for example, hindi naman tayo masyadong kalakasan na character. Mga free to play characters lang. So, pwede na dito tayo, no. Pero yung mga whale naman, no, walang problema sa kanila yan kung kayang-kaya nilang i-fast kill yung mobs sa mga matataas na floors. So, ano pa ba ang bago pa event ni Nightcross? Ayan, so meron siya ditong 100 day celebration check-in. Ayan, so 14 days check-in to, no? Ayan, so number 1, unang-una, no, day 1, makukuha nyo na kaagad yung ating rare glider. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Then, marami mo, no, sa day 7, and day 6, no? Day 6, night crow's feather brooch chest. Then the day 7 is itong Clement's coupon, which is itong Clement's coupon na to is magkakaroon tayo ng another chance to get legendary or epic or mythic mount or weapon style. For example, before the event, nakapag-combine ka ng mount or weapon style, nakapag-combine ka ng legendary or ng epic, at ito ay nag-fail, automatically magkakaroon ka ng Clement's coupon na legendary or epic, which is automatically makakakuha ka ng rare, epic, or legendary mount or weapon style. So, let's proceed to another event of Nightcross, which is itong Clement's second invitation. So, day 1 pa lang may makukuha na tayong 100 day commemoration award, which is gagamitin natin to for codex. Then day 2 is Dawn's Dazzling Mount Summon times 11. Then day 3, weapon style times 11 summon again. Then day 4, weapon style again, no, times 11. Then day 5 is the Nightcross gear times 11 selection, which is ito yung pipiliin natin kung ano yung gusto natin enhance, no, which is the talisman ba or the brooch. So may chance, another chance na naman tayo to enhance our talisman or brooch for plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or hanggang 12. Kung hanggang saan aabutin ang ating swerte sa pag-enhance. Then the day 6 is Mount Haman. Then the day 7, ito yung pinakasulit dito. It's because it is a Splendid. No, Splendid Summon is automatically uncommon na ito lahat, no? Wala nang common summon dito. Lahat ito is automatically uncommon to legendary mount or weapon style. Then let's proceed to another event, which is the weapon style summoning combination, which is, I think alam nyo na ito. Then the mount common summoning combination order, which is pag nakompleto natin ito lahat, itong tasks na to, may makukuha tayong automatically 2 pieces of weapon style or mount na summon. Ayan, automatically na yan, no? So lahat ng pag sinamon mo yan, automatically ay magkakaroon ka ng epic na weapon style or mount summon. Then the next one is the 100 day commemoration growth order. So ito yan, no? Attempt crafting 5 times. Defeat regular dungeon monsters 15,000. Then check in the guild. So this event, no, may makukuha ka agad tayo 8 pieces na papyrus and eto mga refinement stones natin. Then pag ma-complete natin yan, another Nightcross gear chest times 11. It's either talisman or brooch yung ipipilian ninyo dito. Yan, so that's all for the events, no? Ayan, so let's proceed sa shop kasi meron din silang inad dito na mga pamigay, which is ito na si Brand's 100 Day Celebration Supply 2, which is only 100 gold, but it is on weekly, no, per character. Then, ito yung sulit dito, itong dalawa, wag natin kakalimutan. So, daily ito, no? Itong una, no, 100 gold, meron na makukuhang 3 pieces na weapon style summon chest selection. It is either weapon style or mount summon. Then, ito yung pinakamaganda, no? Yung the step 2 is 100 diamonds only and makakakuha ka ng times 11 selection, mount or weapon style summon tickets. Ayan, so meron pa siyang natitirang 5 days, so kuha pa tayo ng 50 pieces. So, a total of 6 days to or 1 week itong event na to. So, a total of 60 summons or 70 summons, I think. Yan. So, meron pa ditong iba, no, which is itong Bronze 100 Mount Summons package. And so, for only 500 pesos, no, may makukuha ka ng 100 summons ng mount and weapon style, which is sobrang sulit nitong event nila na to, no, mas and profit, kumbaga maganda ito para sa mga dito, mga players natin dyan na nagtutop up or mga tumatalpak natin dyan na mga players. And ito yung pinakasulit dito guys, which is the 16,000 diamonds only. And magkakaroon ka na ng 250 summons. It's either mount or weapon style. Ayan. So, dalawang beses mo siyang bibilihin, no? So, a total of 500 summons and a total of 32,000 diamonds only. Then, pag nabili nyo na yan, dalawang yan, makukuha nyo itong step 2, which is only 100 gold at may makukuha ka automatically. It's either weapon or weapon style or mount summon na automatically epic po yan. Ayan, so maraming pamigay ngayon si Nightcross, no, marami siyang regalo sa atin. And also, I think it is daily, no, daily siyang nagsisend ng mail sa atin and nagsisend ng gifts. I think daily yun, no, but that's all. And sa 100 days ni Nightcross, marami siyang pamigay. So that's all guys. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.